So I picked up this old man to help me, and he said he wanted some work, and I said, okay, you can help me with carrying some of the stuff. And talking to him, it seems like he's in his 50s or 60s, and I really thought to myself, this is one of the reasons that I work so hard in my 20s, so that when I'm 40, 50, 60, I don't have to work so physically hard, because by then hopefully I've saved up and invested correctly and worked hard and not wasted my 20s going out partying and doing those things. And I luckily for me, don't like drinking or smoking or partying, and I don't really have vices. I think I like coffee, so that might be something that I spend a lot of money on. I drink a coffee every day, but besides that, there's not a lot of things I waste my time on. So I'd rather work hard now, so that when I'm older, I don't have to work as hard. That's just something I thought about. But I hope you have a wonderful day, and I'm rooting for you as well.